In my opinion, the world was better before the internet because people were more connected on a personal level. Without the constant distraction of screens, individuals engaged in face-to-face conversations, having deeper, more meaningful relationships.
Contrary to the idea that the world was better before the internet, I believe the opposite. The internet has opened a world of knowledge and information to our fingertips, making education and research more accessible than ever.
The world was undoubtedly better before the internet, as social interactions were more genuine and less influenced by virtual platforms. People had to make a conscious effort to meet in person, which led to stronger community bonds.
I don't think so. I believe that the internet has revolutionized the way we access information. The convenience of gaining knowledge instantly has empowered individuals and accelerated progress in various fields.
The internet has significantly improved cultural exchange and global understanding. Before its advent, people had limited exposure to diverse cultures. Now, we can connect with individuals around the world, promoting tolerance for differences.
I think the world was better before the internet because it led to an excessive dependence on technology. From basic communication to solving complex problems, the internet has become an indispensable tool, potentially diminishing our self-sufficiency.
The internet has played a central role in shaping the global economy. E-commerce, remote work, and online businesses have flourished, creating new opportunities and economic growth. This suggests that the world is better with the internet.
One disadvantage of the internet age is the decrease of privacy. In the past, individuals had a greater sense of control over their personal information. With the internet, the risk of data violations and surveillance has increased, raising concerns about privacy.
I disagree. From online courses to virtual classrooms, the internet has revolutionized education, making it more accessible and flexible. This has had a positive impact on learning opportunities for people around the world.
The world was different before the internet in terms of entertainment. Traditional forms such as books, theater, and radio dominated. However, the internet has democratized content creation, allowing diverse voices to be heard and enabling a multitude of entertainment options.
There are arguments on both sides, but some believe that the pre-internet era was healthier. With less screen time and more outdoor activities, people were physically active, leading to better overall well-being. However, the internet has also facilitated the dissemination of health information, contributing to better awareness of healthcare.
Reflecting on the past, there's a certain charm to the simplicity of life before the internet. On the other hand, I think the internet has undeniably revolutionized how we live, work, and communicate, bringing numerous advantages that shouldn't be overlooked.
Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. We are always happy to create new content for you.